How to delete a group in a Splitwise. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's begin. First, if you want to delete a group in a Splitwise, launch the Splitwise app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now navigate to groups located at bottom left corner of your screen. Browse through the list of groups and tap on the group name that you want to delete. Now, select the gear icon at top right to access the group settings section. In the setting menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Delete Group. You will also see the option to leave the group, but if you want to remove it completely, tap on Delete Group button. Now, a pop-up menu will appear. In order to confirm the deletion, tap on OK button. And as you can see that we have successfully deleted the group permanently and all members will lose access to the group's expense history. So only the group admin or creator has the authority to delete a group in a Splitwise. So by following this step, you can easily delete a group from Splitwise. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.